Talkpal vs Praktika. Let's get started. So Talkpal is an AI-powered tutor supporting 57 plus languages with interactive modes like tutor chat, roleplay, debates, and characters for conversational practice. Praktika, on the other hand, offers structured learning in English through AI tutors, grammar drills, and realistic conversation with high-quality voices. So let's talk about their pros. Talkpal offers a wide language support, which is great for polyglots. It's also immersive scenarios and it can make learning engaging. And it's also very helpful for conversational fluency, especially like intermediate learners, because Reddit users praise its realistic accents and forgiving nature. And Practica, on the other hand, offers a highly rated platform which is over 4.67 stars. It also works well for building fluency and vocabulary, with accents and scenario-based learning fitting US and global English style. The only downside is it has a lot of reports of bugs and speech recognition issues and technical instability. So choose TalkPal if you're more on a diverse and engaging, yet occasionally inaccurate and want to learn them, and choose Practica if you want and delivers on trustworthy English learning experience through its tech needs improvement.